Should I stop negative keywords in auto campaigns after moving them to manual? I like to be thorough when it comes to questions and answers, not because what you might not be knowing is that whenever you take that action, you are hoping for a next hypothesis to work. What I mean by that is our common belief 5 years ago, or common teaching in Amazon PPC, was that if a keyword works well in an auto campaign, and if I'm going to add that into a separate campaign on their own, where I'm going to target it, maybe this time in exact match, it should perform exactly the same way how we did in the previous campaign. And I want to make sure that you understand why that is not the case. In an auto campaign, the strategy behind it is a discovery campaign, supposed to, one, help us gain traction and search terms that we did not know we are even relevant to. Two, it's supposed to help us bring cheaper sales than if we would have been targeting this exact search term that you just found in exact broad or phrase match. There are also going to be separate different placements where that search term can show up either top of search, so someone is just searching for the product with that specific search term, it's going to show up on top of page, either rest of search, so this is going to be anywhere else but top of search, and product pages. And product pages is the third one. This is basically on any product. Once that you clicked on it, you're going to open up the product, and then on that product you're going to see others as well. There is very little control when it comes to making sure you show up on those placements, especially in a discovery campaign, auto targeting campaign. Yes, technically you can increase your bid modifiers to show up in a different placement and make sure that you're always there. But again, this is a discovery campaign. It's supposed to bring you cheap sales. Now, the moment that you're going to modify any placement that you're showcasing your ads on, hoping that the one search that brought you the one sale is going to make more sales just because you have it in their own campaign, I would advise against that.